Thank you for choosing PDFelement to simplify your PDF tasks. In this video, we will demonstrate how to download, install, and register PDFelement on Windows. First of all, visit PDFelement's official website. Click the blue button to download the PDFelement software. Double-click the installation file and follow the on-screen instruction to install the program. Launch the software on your computer. Click the Buy Now button to purchase a license. Be sure to pay attention to the operating system options here as well. PDFelement offers 1-year, 2-year, and perpetual licenses for your choosing. Enter your email address and set a password to create a Wondershare ID. When the purchasing process is complete, the confirmation from PDFelement will be sent to your email address. Meanwhile, you can click here and reset your password so that you can log in to activate PDFelement. If you have not downloaded PDFelement yet, you can click the download link in the email you received. Now, go back to the PDFelement program. Click the Login button and input your Wondershare ID and password to activate your account. That's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time! Thank you for choosing PDFelement to simplify your PDF tasks. In this video, we will demonstrate how to open and view PDF files using PDFelement on Windows. If you have set PDFelement as the default PDF program, you can double-click the target PDF file to open it directly. You can also open the PDFelement program first. Click the Open PDF button to open your PDF file. Or drag your PDF file into the PDFelement icon to open it directly. From the home page of PDFelement, you can open recent files from the Recent Files list, or click different tabs on the left side of the home page to open PDF files from Starred Files list, Recent Folders, and Wondershare Document Cloud. You can also use PDFelement to open a password-protected PDF file. If your PDF document has permission password restriction only, you can read it without any hassle. If the PDF document is protected with the open password restriction, you will need to type the password into the dialog box to open the PDF. After opening the PDF, you can go to the Background button under the View tab to change the background color. There are more settings about page layout under the View tab. If you are checking some informational or instructional PDFs, we recommend using the Read mode to focus on your reading. In the Read mode, you can navigate to different pages in the bottom floating bar. Click on View, Rotate View button. You can change your PDF orientation. That's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!